Get ready to explore 12 insane industrial machines you won't believe are real. From the mighty Gasho grab dredger to the high-tech Cat MD6310 Drill, these powerful giants are changing the game in construction and mining like never before. Meet the Cat MD6310 Rotary Drill, a powerhouse when it comes to track-mounted blast hole drilling. Designed for performance and precision, the MD6310 makes drilling holes up to 31 centimeters in diameter faster and more efficient than ever. It's packed with cutting-edge technology, including advanced systems that even allow for autonomous drilling. Built for tough mining and quarrying environments, this machine delivers consistent results while boosting productivity and safety on site. When you need serious drilling power with smart tech to back it up, the Cat MD6310 is ready to take on the job. Clearing roadside ditches just got a whole lot easier with the TransTrack CF500. What used to take an entire crew now only needs one operator and about an hour. The CF500 is specially designed for drainage ditch cleaning, making it incredibly efficient and easy to operate. In just 60 minutes, it can clean up to 2 kilometers of ditch, saving time, labor, and cost. Whether it's routine maintenance or post-storm cleanup, the TransTrack CF500 is the go-to solution for fast, effective roadside drainage cleaning. Meet the Gasho, the world's largest grab dredger and a true heavyweight in marine construction. Think of it as a giant floating crane, equipped with 2 massive buckets designed to scoop up sediment from depths reaching 48 meters. Each grab can haul up to 120 cubic meters of material at once, making it incredibly efficient for dredging rivers, ports, and waterways. Whether it's clearing sediments or deepening channels, the Gasho handles big jobs with unmatched power and precision. If you're looking for serious dredging performance, the Gasho is the machine you want on your team. Meet the C6T XP2, a versatile drilling rig built for serious underground and foundation work. Whether you're installing micropiles, prepping foundations, working in tunnel construction, or performing soil investigations, the C6T XP2 delivers top performance. It's designed to handle complex structural tasks with precision and reliability. Even better, it comes in both diesel and electric versions, so you can choose the best fit for your job site and sustainability goals. Compact, powerful, and highly adaptable, the C6T XP2 is a go-to machine for professionals who need results they can trust. Check out the KEMROC DMW 220 wheel, a powerhouse milling attachment built for serious excavation work. This impressive tool features a massive cutting disc nearly 2 meters in diameter, making it perfect for high-performance trenching and precision cutting. Whether you're tackling tough rock or concrete, the DMW 220 gets the job done fast and clean. In this case, it's transforming a storm water basin, and pretty soon all that'll be left is a memory. When you need raw power and reliable performance, the KEMROC DMW 220 is the wheel you want turning. Say hello to the Avonic ALF, one of the rarest and most powerful firefighting systems on the planet, with fewer than 10 units worldwide. The ALF is a true beast, powered by 2 aviation turbines that crank out a massive 12,000 horsepower. Built for extreme fire emergencies, this high-tech unit can unleash up to 8,000 liters of water per minute, making it a game-changer in rapid response firefighting. Whether it's tackling industrial fires or supporting large-scale rescue missions, the Avonic ALF is engineered for speed, power, and unmatched efficiency. It's not just rare, it's revolutionary. Introducing the Workin Quick Track, a true game-changer in mobile crushing technology. This beast, officially known as the MOPX MR110i EVO2 Mobile Impact Crusher, is built for speed and power. It's designed to keep up with the fast pace of modern job sites, crushing up to 205 tons of asphalt per hour and a whopping 240 tons of concrete per hour. Whether you're working on road construction, demolition, or recycling, the Workin Quick Track delivers high performance with maximum efficiency. Fast, reliable, and tough, this machine gets the job done without slowing you down. Meet the Echle Hartstahl EHU 200, a powerful upgrade of the Cat M314F, specially modified for underground mining. The EHU 200 is built to handle tight underground spaces with ease, thanks to its compact design and a total height of under 2.7 meters. It's equipped with a stronger, more rigid support system and a uniquely engineered boom built specifically for underground work. Whether you're navigating tunnels or tackling heavy-duty tasks below ground, the Echle Hartstahl EHU 200 delivers durability, precision, and performance where it counts most. We're in France, taking on a massive challenge, a 9-story water tower that's coming down fast, thanks to the Cabelco SK400 DLC demolition excavator. This beast is built specifically for high-reach demolition, with the power and stability to handle the toughest jobs. The SK400 DLC can reach up to 24 meters high, and that's not even pushing its limits. Whether it's tearing down towers or clearing out large structures, this machine delivers unmatched precision, reach, and power. If demolition is the job, the Cabelco SK400 DLC is the machine you want leading the charge. Let's talk about the Gamako GP4, an impressive slipform paver built for serious concrete paving jobs. The GP4 can lay down concrete strips up to 12 meters wide with precision and ease, making it perfect for highways, airport runways, and other large-scale projects. What's even more impressive, it delivers a consistent final concrete thickness of 30 centimeters, ensuring strength and durability from the ground up. If you're looking for smooth, reliable results on big paving jobs, the Gamako GP4 is the machine to trust. Next up is the Hydro Demolition Aqua Cutter, a high-tech solution for industrial cleaning, surface prep, and concrete repair. Using advanced hydro demolition technology, it removes damaged concrete with precision while keeping the surface intact. The Aqua Cutter maintains a preset nozzle distance for consistent power and performance. Its remote control operation allows workers to stay safe while tackling risky jobs, like on deteriorating bridges. With a unique 3D positioning system and impressive reach, it can handle vertical, horizontal, and overhead surfaces, giving operators total control and unmatched efficiency in tough demolition projects. Introducing the rubber tire gantry crane from Liebherr, a powerful and precise solution for container handling. Built with a rigid steel structure, it ensures smooth, stable movement even at high speeds. This crane can span 5 to 9 containers wide and lift up to 3.16 containers high. Thanks to its advanced anti-sway and drive systems, it delivers high productivity and accurate stacking every time. Surprisingly, it also comes at a lower cost than many similar machines, making it a smart, efficient choice for busy ports and container yards. If you loved seeing these incredible machines in action, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing industrial tech. Drop a comment below and let us know which machine blew your mind the most. Thanks for watching.